Good morning, friend. Now I will talking about rainwater harvesting pits. As we know that in India, in almost all districts, groundwater table is falling down and down every year. It is called depletion of groundwater table. We have to take some steps, some measures to arrest this trend of falling groundwater table. Our NGO, Jaydevi Rajaram Charity Foundation, has taken some initiative to arrest this groundwater table depletion. We have constructed rainwater harvesting pit in and around village Bijauli in district Fatehpur. The construction of pit is very simple. Now I will talking here what are the different stages in construction of the pit. Number one, site selection. Site selection is very important. We should select the site which has rainwater at least for 70-80 days in a year. We have selected a site near the rain-fed Nala because it has rainwater for a period of 80 to 100 days as it is being told by the local people. Number two, drilling bore and providing 4-inch dia PVC pipe of 120 feet. This PVC pipe has got perforation at bottom and top level for a length of 10 feet so that the water through the filter media enters into the pipe and then it gets out in the bottom strata. The end of the top pipe is sealed, so there is no direct entry of dirty water. Number three, digging up a pit of size 10 feet by 10 feet by 8 feet depth with the help of JCB machine and dressing it to the desired level. Number four, providing 4 feet thick layer of boulders or locally available overburnt bricks. Number five, providing 2 feet thick layer of grit stones of size 20 to 30 millimeter. Number six, providing 1 layer of nylon mesh to prevent sand entering into the stone grit and bricks. Number 7, providing 2 feet thick layer of coarse sand. Number 8, constructing a protective wall around the pit and making connection with the nala. In the whole process of construction of pit, you see that in the bottom layer of bricks and the grit and the second layer which is of grit stones, there is sufficient space available for water to get accumulated which ultimately goes in the pipe through the perforations. The sand acts as a filter media which prevents dust coming along with the water not to enter into the earth. So this construction is very easy. It can be done by anybody with the help of local labor, material available nearby, and also JCB machine. This pit takes only 10 feet by 10 feet area, and the cost is around rupees 50,000 only. And you see the quantity of water being recharged in a day, which is estimated 2 lakh liter. And if the water is recharged for 100 days, the total quantity of water discharged is almost 2 crore liter. Now you see how much water is extracted from agriculture bore. As a rough calculation, we can presume that water is extracted for 8 hours in a day for almost 80 to 100 days. It translates almost 2 to 3 crore liter. Thus, by constructing one rainwater harvesting pit, you are neutralizing the effect of one bore well. Now, there is tendency of having more and more bore wells for agriculture purpose or industrial use or even for domestic purpose. Recharge of groundwater has to be done at whatever cost or whatever way. The recharge through rainwater harvesting pit is very superior compared with the pond, as the surface water evaporates at the rate of 4 millimeter per day. Thus, approximately 80 to 90% water evaporates, and some quantity of water is consumed by the locals, thus leaving only 10 to 15% water to go into the earth. The rainwater harvesting pit, if it is constructed well and the depth of the pipe is such that the bottom is in the first strata of water, this will be very effective way to discharge the groundwater. I would like to share some information of Uttar Pradesh. There are 66% of districts which are in safe category, and remaining 34 are rest, that is categorized as over exploited, critical and semi-critical. Government has laid down norms for the bore wells for industrial purpose. How much quantity of water is to be recharged? If this is done honestly and effectively, the groundwater recharge will also improve. Thank you.